Hi boys and girls. Today we're talking about lighting. You're probably sitting home bored out of your mind. Aren't we all? Let's have some fun. I went on Amazon. I picked up Govee. I am not paid to do this in any way. They didn't send this to me for free. I will make sure to show you down below how I actually paid for this out of pocket. Now keep in mind, this runs off of Alexa. Shh, don't tell her. She's listening. And Google Home. This is an amazing setup. I'm going to show you later because I'm going to hook it up. I'm going to turn it on. You can run it from the remote. It's music and voice controls.
Quiet! Hush your mouth.
So we're going to tear it open and see what you think.
I'm going to open it.
The box is a blast to open. There's a little spot right here where you pull down. Ta-da! Pretty cards. Plastic. Reading. Nobody reads. Like or no like.
What's in the box?
And here we are. That's pretty small. There's 1, 2. Insert. All kinds of handy little goodies for you. With 3M tape on the back. Here's the big boy plug that goes into the wall. And here you go. This one here has the multi-connection for the 2 strips. 3M tape on the back. Govee. Power, light, and settings. Getting closer, you can see right there. There we go. Okay, we've unboxed this. I'm gonna bug my kids to help me set this up because he's dying to hook it up. And then we'll be back in just a minute. Come right back. I bought these lights back April 12th of 2020. So I've tested the crap out of it for 3 years now. How's that for testing? Govee Smart LED strip lights for your bedroom, bathroom, computer room like me. Maybe you want to put them in your living room. Who knows? Keep in mind they are not waterproof, so don't be trying to put them in crazy places. I won't ask, you don't tell, okay? 32.8 feet, Wi-Fi LED. They work with Alexa, Google Assistant, 16 million colors, that's a lot. App control, or you can use remote. I do have the remote coming up in a video in a minute with the lights in action so you can see what they look like. It has music sync, great for if you're, jamming out while you're gaming and you want the lights to go with the music. 2 rolls of 16.4 feet. You can go as high as 100 feet. It's up to you. Maybe you got a really, really big room. I don't know. 4.5 ratings out of 59,839 people. That's a lot. They got over 1,000 questions that they've answered in here. If you got questions I didn't answer. But if you do, and I do have the answer, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best. I'll try to help. Once again, I didn't get paid for this, but I'll put the link in there in case you want to pick them up. This channel and everything I do on it's for free. I do it my way to give back to you because I've been blessed. I've had a really great life. Just giving back, man. I will have some video coming up and it's happening right now. Okay, here's what the remote looks like. That's what the box looks like. Okay, you can see down here, it has jump. You got your fades, your flash, quicks. You can change all the different colors, power button up top, brightness level. Here's what the fade looks like. It's actually really cool. It's kind of a slow fade between the colors. Yeah, definitely a good buy. Something fun to add to your gaming room. Always trying to bring you guys the best budget tech I can. And right now it's marked down on price. I'll make sure to leave the link below just in case you want it. It's actually really nice. It has all kinds of different light settings and stuff. Not bad for $32. Yeah, let me guys know what you think in the comments below. It's a fun little budget tech for your gaming room. Thanks again. We'll be back soon.
Cold. Warmer. Warmer. Up. Boiling. Jack.
No way, you made it to the end of the video? You're awesome. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Hey, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate that. Also, if you want to see more videos, click the boxes. See you in the next video.